BJP spokesperson M. Karkrang has denied reports of a rift in the party. Recently, leaders from Garo Hills expressed resentment against the party's president. It should be noted that BJP Meghalaya in charge, M. Chubaao, was recently replaced after complaints allegedly made against him by leaders from Garo Hills. There is no rift. Some people are unhappy and want to leave the party, and they are creating all this confusion, Karkrang said, while assuring that all party members are together.
That there has been no rift. There are some people who are not happy with the party and wanted to leave the party, and they are the ones who are making out all these stories. But as all the members of the party, now we are all together, and if there are any misunderstandings, all these things are being settled within the four walls, and everything is okay right now. So I don't see any rift or any groupism or anything in the party right now.
The Delimitation Committee